Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem which is Anton and Danik. So first of all we have to read our question. So here we read our question, and then Anton likes to play chess, and so does his friend Danik. And then you can see here, if once they have played n games in a row, for each game it's known who was the winner, Anton or Danik. None of the games ended with a tie. Then we again go to the next. Then you can see, and then we can see here that you read the question appropriately, and if here we can see, if Anton win the game, and then the output should be Anton, and if not, then it should be Danik. When a occurrence of A is greater than D, then Anton is win, and otherwise D is and when occurrence of D is greater than A, then Danik will be win the game, and if the occurrence of both A and D is same, then output should be friendship. So by this year we read our question and we can see what can it work. So after that we have to see that we and it's here. So first of all we go to our example, and then we decide how can we solve this problem. So if you want to read the question, you can do this, but I don't read it. I read it before when I record this video. So if you want, you can read the question from here, or you can also read this question by going to the link which I provided in my description. So and then we go to our example side. So in our example you can see here first of all input is we take integer input from our user, and then you can see AD3 A. So here output is Anton, and here you can see occurrence of A is greater than occurrence of D. Here for this reason here is output is Anton, and then the second, the occurrence of D is greater than occurrence of A. Then for this reason output is Danik, and in the third you can see occurrence of D and occurrence of A is same. So for this reason the output should be friendship. Output is friendship. So for we also have a look in our note. So it's about same. And then we go to our replit. Here we already have a class and input class and our package. So first of all we go taking input. We already said that we have to take input from our user. So for this reason we write int n is equal to sc.next int. Then what can we do? Then we have to take a string input from our user. So for this reason we write int n is a string sc is equal to sc.next, and then we have to run a loop which is for loop. So we write for, and here we take another variable which is I, and which data type should be integer. So we write for int I is equal, and we initialize this variable by 0, and then I is less than n and I plus plus. After that we so you can see, so here we write if we take a condition here. So now sorry, before this we have to take another variable which we here we call c, and we sorry two variable, first one we call by c and then second one is c1, and both of them are initialized by 0 and the data type should be integer. So here we write a condition where we write if str dot char at I, if str dot char at I, then we write if str dot char at I is equal to, if str dot char at I is equal to str a, when str dot character is equal to a c plus plus, it means when we found a character which is a capital A or uppercase A, then the output should be the value of c will be increased by 1 and c value is c1, and then we copy the line str dot character I is equal to a, and we copy here, and here we remove a and we write d, and then we write when we found a capital D in our string, then output should be c1. The c1 is uh, update by 1 or c1 value is increased 1 by 1. So then we write the output statement. So now sorry, here we write another condition. If c1 is greater than c1, then output should be Anton, because here occurrences of a is greater than occurrences of d. So we write system.out.println, and in the bracket we write Anton, because here Anton win, in this situation Anton will be win. And then if c1, we again copy this if loop, and then we write here, paste here, and before if we write else, and we change the condition, we write c is less than c1. It means when occurrence of a is less than occurrence of d, output should be Danik. So after that we, and then we write again the if loop, and we remove the condition, and then we write here else. It means when c1 is equal to c is equal to c1, it means a occurrence of a is equal to occurrence of d. When the output is the occurrence is same, output should be friendship. So in the bracket we write friendship, and then we run this program, if it works or not. So we run the program, and we here we write here we input our previously copied. Yeah, you can see here output is Danik, where d is occurrence is greater than a's occurrence. So and then we again our paste another here, and you can see here is same, both character occurrence is same, and then output is friendship. And in the last we paste here, you can see a occurrence of a is greater than d. So for this reason here output is Anton, and we then we select all, and then we copy our question, and we go to our submit code button, and after that we have to paste our code here, and we paste our code here, and then we press into the submit button, and you can see so you can, it's take a few seconds. So you can see it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, and like, comment and share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.